Hello, good morning. My name is Paul. I'm a dentist here in the surgery and I'd like to welcome you here today. You've probably been referred in by your dentist or your health visitor or another health professional for me to have a look at your teeth today, which I'm glad you've come to see us. And I'm going to show you the equipment in the surgery. It can be a bit daunting at first when you first come in. So the first piece of equipment you're going to see when you walk in the surgery is our dental chair. Now the dental chair, you can sit in it. It goes up and down very slowly, so there's no sudden movements. And what I can do with this dental chair, I can raise you up and I can lie you down so you can lie nice and flat and I can look in your mouth. I would just tend to sit behind you here on the chair and I can see your mouth, etc. To sit you up, I just press a button and you slowly sit up and you come back to a nice sitting position. So that's one piece of equipment. The next piece is the dental light. This light, it swings around. I can move it to any angle. I can turn the light on with a little, just simply swiping my hand over the light. And I focus the light and we can look in your mouth and I can have a good close look at your teeth and your gums, etc. It doesn't, if the light's a bit too bright, we can put on some dark glasses for you. So we do have a set of dark glasses if you find the light a bit too bright. So your eyes are protected. The next piece of equipment we'll have is the X-ray machine. Sometimes we need to take a little film of your teeth in the mouth, and this machine just moves around. It has a swinging arm and we can just take the film of your mouth. We'll get it processed and we'll show you the picture later on. It makes a little beeping noise. There's no pain, no discomfort. It's a really nice piece of equipment. The other piece of equipment we have is the autoclave. This autoclave makes sure there's no germs, no bugs, and all the equipment is nice and clean and sterilised before we look in your mouth. So rest assured, everything is all very, very clean. The next thing we do, we come over here in the sink. I will wash my hands. Always wash my hands before we treat the patient. We'll put on some gloves. Sometimes we've got blue gloves, clear gloves. So we'll put the gloves on. Today I've got the blue gloves. So we'll put the glove on. And I'm going to show you some of the equipment that we have here. This is called the dental cart. Now this cart has quite a few pieces of equipment on it. But this little device here on the cart, this dries your teeth. Helps me look at your teeth. Sometimes we have to wash your teeth with a bit of water and sometimes we use a spray. So it makes a small bit of noise, just dries the teeth. We then use our equipment, our mirror, our probe and our tweezers. I'll put my other glove on because I'm so used to wearing two gloves. Now the mirror and the probe and tweezers, these help me look in your mouth and I can check your teeth and check your gums. There's the dental mirror, there's the tweezers, and that's a small little probe to make sure we've got no food and anything in between the teeth. So that's that. Sometimes we add a few bits of equipment onto here if we need to do little bits of procedures on your teeth, but that's fine. So thanks for looking at this video for us and hope to see you fairly soon. Thank you.